Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In this video, we're talking about manifesting your dream job in 1 month. Ready to start manifesting? The law of attraction states that we can attract whatever we want into our lives by focusing our thoughts and energy on it. Therefore, when manifesting a specific job, it's crucial to be clear and specific about what you want. This is because the more specific and clear you are about your desired job, the more focused your thoughts and energy will be on that particular job, increasing the likelihood of it manifesting into your reality. Have an idea of what your dream job is? Now, get something to write with and write the job that you're looking to manifest. Prefer using your phone? No problem. Just write it where you can reference it when you need it. We want to write down our desires because it takes our thoughts from only existing in our mind to now existing physically in our 3D reality. Continue to write down your dream job with as much detail as possible. Include the location, salary, company, and work environment. This is crucial even if you desire to work for yourself. Getting specific in your description will help you focus your energy on manifesting that job. You'll begin to experience the feelings and vibrations associated with where you want to be versus where you currently are. Now it's time to visualize yourself in your dream work environment. The power of visualization can be harnessed to boost performance in various ways, including manifesting your dream job. For example, research conducted by the University of Chicago found that athletes who used visualization techniques improved their performance significantly compared to those who did not. The study included a group of swimmers who were instructed to imagine themselves executing specific movements in the pool, such as honing their stroke technique. During this visualization exercise, the same muscles that would activate during the actual task began to fire during the experiment. The mind cannot distinguish between what we envision in our mind and what is happening in reality. Since you now know the power of visualization, it's time to imagine yourself already having your dream job. So close your eyes and picture yourself performing the tasks, taking in the new view of your office and feeling the emotions associated with finally having the job of your dreams. The key is to focus on those feelings associated with having your dream job. Everything has a specific vibration or frequency, even emotions. By feeling what it's like to have your dream job, you can raise your vibrational frequency to that of your desires, making yourself a magnet for your desires. If you're new to manifesting, you may notice that limiting beliefs will start to whisper in the back of your mind. For example, you may think, it's impossible to land this job this quickly, or I'm nowhere near qualified to get my dream job. These will come and go, but keeping your vibrational energy high or staying positive is essential. If you notice these thoughts, acknowledge them and begin to replace them with positive affirmations. Things like, I am a magnet for my dream job, or I am worthy of having the job of my dreams. Even if they don't seem true initially, keep repeating positive affirmations. You may be dissatisfied with your current job. Even though it's not what you truly desire, staying positive will help you stay aligned with the vibrational frequency of your dream job. Eliminate the mindset of, I'm not where I want to be, and step into believing that your dream job is yours and you're simply waiting on the call. Now, you must genuinely believe this job is yours and trust that the universe will do the heavy lifting for you. Any work done on your part must be done with complete faith that you are already receiving the offer for your dream job. Doing things like sharpening your skills, networking, and practicing self-care will show the universe that you're serious about your desires and ready to receive. Negative beliefs, trying to rush the process, and lacking faith will only delay your desired outcome. Save this video to help you stay on track and help you get closer to manifesting your dream job. In the comments below, let us know your dream job. Making your dream public tells the universe that you're serious about what you want. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.